Okay guys, me here again. Well, I was doing some more research about this, and turns out it's not a Briggs & Stratton engine. I did manage to clean the plate up some. You guys probably can't read it still. But at any rate, down along the bottom down here, I found the Clinton, and it turns out to be a Clinton engine from about 1946 to 1948 with a 6-to-1 reduction right here. 1.5 horsepower at a certain RPM, which I'm not real sure about. So at any rate, I know what the engine is now, but I have no idea what the tractor is it's on. So hopefully this will be the last one of these videos for a while, until I find out what the tractor actually is. At any rate, we're going to try and cold start this thing and see what happens. Trusty dusty starting tool. There we go, cold start. I still haven't seen anything quite like it, but I did actually find a video of another one that was close to this on YouTube, but that guy doesn't know what his is either, so oh well. At least I know what the engine is. It's a good running engine, only a little bit of smoke. Oh well. Alright, well thanks for watching guys.